I am making aloo jhuri bhaja. This goes really well with Macher Matha diye moong dal. Here we have 400 grams of grated potatoes. I have rinsed it and washed it very thoroughly. Wash it very well to get rid of the starch. Change the water at least 4 times. The lesser the starch, the crispier the potatoes will be when fried. I'm going to heat this pan now. The potatoes will be deep fried in refined oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to put in some curry leaves. And some peanuts. In 30 seconds, I'm going to take the nuts and the leaves out of the oil. Now I'm going to fry the potatoes in batches. Make sure you drain as much water as possible before putting it in the oil. Press the potatoes like this to drain as much water as you can before it goes into the pan. Aloo jhuri bhaja is done now. Today I'll make Macher Matha diye moong dal. For this recipe, I'm using 250 grams of fish head. I'm using katla fish today. First, I'm going to marinate this with 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, salt as per your taste. Now I'm going to coat the pieces with this spice mix. I'll coat as evenly as possible and then set aside for marination. Dry roast 200 grams of Sona Moong dal. We have to keep on stirring to prevent the grains from burning. Continue roasting the dal until it changes its color. The desired color will be pinkish brown. Now I'll be transferring this into a bowl. Next, rinse the dal very thoroughly. After transferring the dal to a pressure cooker, I'll be adding 10 grams of minced ginger, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of salt. Add 500 ml of boiling water. Putting the lid on, and I'll let this pressure cook for 10 minutes. Turn off the heat for the pressure cooker after 10 minutes or after 2 whistles, but the lid still stays on until the pressure inside the cooker dies off. Meanwhile, adding mustard oil to the heated pan. As the oil reaches the smoking point, add the fish heads. In the same oil goes in 4 dried red chili and 2 bay leaves, 1 stick of cinnamon, 4 green cardamom and 5 cloves. Adding 1 small chopped onion. Fry the onions until golden brown. Once the onion is golden brown, I'm going to add 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. After cooking the tomato for a minute, add 1 tablespoon of ground cumin and coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per your taste, sugar as per your taste. I'm using coconut sugar here. At this point, adding the fried fish heads. Toss and coat the heads with the spices. Put the lid on and cook it on medium flame. I would cook it for 2 minutes. As you can see, the dal is boiled up. Pouring the cooked dal on the fried fish head. Mix this well. I'm going to add some slit green chili pepper. The raw chili pepper will enhance the flavor of the dal. The dal is now ready to be served. Time to have Macher Matha diye moong dal with ghee on basmati rice and aloo churi bhaja on the side.